What if I told you, right now, there are AI tools working 24 hours a day, making money for ordinary people, even while they sleep? And the scary part? Most people still don't know these tools exist. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools beginners are using in 2026 to create online income. No coding, no experience, and some are completely free. Let's start with the one that shocked me the most. Artificial intelligence is changing how money is made online. Before, you needed skills, expensive equipment, or years of experience. Now, AI can write, design, edit videos, and even automate businesses. But here's the truth. Not all AI tools actually help you earn. So I tested and researched tools people are really using to generate income. Here are the best ones. Tool number 1, AI Writing Assistant. The first tool is an AI writing assistant, like ChatGPT. This AI can create blog posts, video scripts, product descriptions, and social media content. And businesses are paying freelancers to do exactly this. Many beginners earn money by offering AI writing services online. Instead of writing for hours, AI gives you a draft in seconds. You just edit and deliver. Work smarter, not harder. But the next tool is where automation really begins. Tool number 2, AI Video Creator. AI video generators allow you to create videos without filming yourself. You type text, and AI creates visuals, voiceovers, and edits automatically. This is how many faceless YouTube channels upload content every day. Some creators run multiple channels without ever showing their face. And once videos gain views, YouTube pays through ads, meaning one video can keep earning long after you upload it. But tool number 3 is even more powerful. Tool number 3, AI Design Generator. Design used to require talent. Now AI can generate logos, thumbnails, ebooks, and printable digital products. People sell these designs on online marketplaces. One design can sell hundreds of times. Create once, earn repeatedly. That's called scalable income, and AI makes it easier than ever. Now let's talk about real automation. Tool number 4, AI Automation Platform. Automation tools connect apps together. For example, someone fills out a form, AI sends an email, creates content, and schedules posts automatically. Businesses pay a lot for automation because it saves time and employees. Many beginners learn simple automation and sell this service online. You're not replacing work, you're removing repetition. And the final tool might be the easiest for beginners. Tool number 5, AI Website Builders. AI website builders create full websites in minutes, no coding needed. People use them to build affiliate websites, create portfolios, and launch small businesses. Some creators build simple niche websites earning through ads and affiliate links. Once traffic comes in, income becomes semi-passive. And this is why AI is creating opportunities faster than ever before. Reality check. But let's be honest, AI is not magic. These tools don't print money automatically. What they do is remove the hardest part, starting. The people earning today are not smarter. They just started earlier. And right now, you are still early. Here are the 5 AI tools again. AI Writing Assistants, AI Video Creators, AI Design Generators, Automation Platforms, AI Website Builders. Each one can become a skill, and skills create income. If you want more videos about AI tools, online income, and future skills that actually matter, subscribe now, because AI is moving fast, and the people who learn early will have the biggest advantage. Comment below, which AI tool do you want to try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.